While erectile dysfunction can be an early sign of heart disease or circulatory issues, ED medications like Viagra, Cialis, and Levitra may give you more bang for your buck. Welcome to Longevity Brief, brought to you by House of Longevity. Now, let's get into it. In a study of more than 23,000 men with erectile dysfunction, those who took medications for it had a 39% lower rate of death due to cardiovascular disease and a 25% lower all-cause mortality rate. These men were compared to a group of 48,000 men with ED who were not prescribed boner pills during the 2006 to 2020 study period. These medications, classified as phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitors or PDE5Is, work by reducing stiffness of the blood vessels, the bad kind, blood clotting, and inflammation, along with promoting the dilation of the blood vessels, which increases blood flow to the penis and improves overall blood vessel health. The authors say these drugs are not only safe, but may also have cardioprotective properties. This was a retrospective observational study based on healthcare claims and national death index data. Several things the researchers were not able to discern from the data was how many pills the men were taking, whether the lowered risk of cardiovascular problems was directly related to the medications, and how much, if any, sex they were engaging in. Could sexual activity have added to the protective benefits of the ED drugs? In conclusion, the recent study suggests that ED medications may have important cardioprotective properties and improve overall blood vessel health, leading to reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other major cardiovascular events. While the results are not rock hard, they are solid enough to warrant further study, which could be done in a group of men with risk factors for cardiovascular disease but no erectile dysfunction. But what's the fun in that? The authors of the study suggest that there is an urgent need for an adequately powered, prospective, randomized, placebo-controlled trial. The study was funded by a grant from Sanofi, the company that makes Cialis. They are hoping to get approved for an over-the-counter version of the drug. Please excuse the juvenile jokes. I know that erectile dysfunction is a serious issue, but in the YouTube game, I've got some stiff competition, so I have to continue to rise to the occasion. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and check out these videos. Thanks for watching.